We are in the midst of an unprecedented crisis. No, not the COVID-19 pandemic. However, this pandemic has created the largest disruption in the history of education. And now we are faced with a monumental challenge of how to mitigate this disruption.
By mid-April 2020, 94% of learners worldwide were affected by shockwave of pandemic, which includes 1.58 billion children and youth across 200 countries.
Jiraj, you passed along some amazing information today. Institutions across the globe have shown some immense swiftness in adopting technology. But the question we ask ourselves, is this technology really working? Has the online platform been able to demolish the geographical boundaries and the four walls of the classroom?
We are in the 21st century and it is time for us to reimagine education through the eyes of online community learning. Students and teachers should not be left confined to four walls of classroom. Their experiences they've shared can become the guiding light for millions of learners across the globe. Be it Goody from the slums of Dharavi or Peter from a posh school in London.
Can there be one such platform where students can consume and interact with educational resources in a safe way?
So far we spoke about certain problems, their possible solutions, and you know what? All this ambition has given life to Student In. The community learning platform with more than 100 plus institutions and schools across India with a user base of 1,25,000. People have come together on this platform to reimagine education and accelerate positive change in teaching and learning.
What if my son can take some great ideas from a project report that Susan had submitted? What if these educational platforms can be as exciting and as engaging as other social media platforms where students want to log in every morning to see what is happening in their learning community? Student Inc. is a one-stop solution to connect, collaborate and create. Through this revolutionary platform, educational institutes can enrich their performances by implementing our tools for their particular needs. Students can come together and form focus groups, interact with each other, exchange ideas, share notes. Not only that, with the out-of-the-box analytical tools, they can get a clear view of what their strengths and weaknesses are. Educators can use this platform and its analytical capabilities to figure out the weaknesses or the pain points of students and give special attention in those areas. Our breakthrough ERP system engages administrators and institutions to engage them and implement our system to the fullest.
And this will not be limited to a class of 60-odd students or handful of educators or institutions. An educator in Chicago can answer a question of a student from Ahmedabad.
Our dream is to bring all these possibilities to every student and every child out there. Let's dream together. Student Inc. is not just a platform, but it's a way of life.